Hello and welcome to Azel's Technologies. This is Amit and we are going to learn HTML from the scratch. If you haven't watched my previous video, please watch the previous video, and this is the continuation part of the editor. So far we have gone through for the two editor. One is the traditional notepad and second one is the notepad++. But sometime you will feel that these are not even comfortable. So today I'm going to introduce you that is known as the IDE. IDE stand for Integrated Development Environment, and the IDE I'm going to use, that is Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio, and you will see the beauty of the Visual Studio because I'm just going to start a project. Now I have just started it. So on the file you will find that you are going to start a new and a website. So you are going to start a website. In the later video session you will find out that how easy it is to write code on Visual Studio. There are so many other IDEs also. You can find out the Eclipse, or there are Sublime, or etc. But for this entire video series I'm going to use Visual Studio. So I'm right now here creating a empty website, and this is my, I'm going to give an E drive. I do have HTML, and here I'm going to class 1. So my project is creating, and this is the integrated development environment. Here you will find the solution bar. If you will not see this solution here, so just go to the view option, and from there you will find your solution bar. So when you don't want to see it, you can just click it and it will be automatically hide here. So right now I don't have anything here, but I want to add an HTML here. So just right click on this after the solution. This is your class 1, and here just go to the add and use this option, add new item. So I'm just clicking on add new item. Here you will find HTML page. So I'm just clicking on the HTML page and giving is class 1. So just save this file by name of the class 1. As the file is created, you will see that everything is mentioned here. Now you can see and you can check it out that I haven't write a single code, but the structure is automatically created. Now what is the beauty of this integrated? You just need to give the title. I'm just giving class 1, and now here, if let's suppose that I'm going to write paragraph something like this, I just write P and it is automatically closing. So just enter, and this is class 1. So I save it, Control S. You just need to Control S save. Now how to run it? So for running it, you need to just press Control and F5 from your keyboard, Control and F5, or you can just simply click here first, go to the build section and build your solution. However, we do not having any kind of code, but still it will take time to build. And why we build it? Because it is an integrated development environment. If you will learn ASP.NET or something like this, then there you required coding, so you have to build every time. But for HTML it doesn't require that much, but still I'm showing you. And now press Control F5. So as you will be press Control 5, here you do have the option, that in which browser you want to browse it. So in every browser you will feel and find the difficulties and how it's look and feel in different kind of browser. So I do have by default Google Chrome. So how many browser you have installed it here, you will find it out, like Firefox and Internet Explorer. So by default I have chosen the Google Chrome. You can choose according to your wish. Now you will see that this is my code. Hello, this is class 1, welcome to the class, and this is my title. Now thing is that how you are going to download this Visual Studio. So for that you just need to Google it. You can Google on Google, find out Visual Studio. So on Microsoft site you will find the download or free Visual Studio offer or something like this. So you can just go to the download sections and find out the older versions, because these are the premium version. You will get only for a free trial or something like this. So just try to find it out, and the links you can find it out on the description section, so from there you can download it. Otherwise the older section you can use it, Visual Studio Code, or there are so many other also from where you can download. Otherwise you can just download so this is the community one. You can download the community one, it is free of cost, and from there you can download these all things and you can write starting your coding. If you find any kind of difficulties of downloading it, please comment me, I will definitely try to help you out, and by this you can get it. Otherwise I will upload it on Google Drive and you can download it, but from here you can easily get it, the older ones. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification.